Burning down the one night stands. And everything around me, yeah. Got to start to feeling so low. And I decided quickly, yes I did, to just go down and check out the show. Yeah, they were dancing and singing and moving to the grooving. And dancing and singing and moving to the grooving. Dancing and singing and moving to the grooving. And just when it hit me, somebody turned around and shouted, "Play that fucking music, white boy. Play that fucking music right. Play that fucking music, white boy. Lay down the boogie and play that funky music till you die." Till you die? Now first it wasn't easy, changing rock and roll and minds. Well, things were getting shaky. I thought I'd have to leave it.
Yeah.
I got you stuck off the realness.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got you stuck off the realness.
You in the night or early in the afternoon, niggas? We taking your whole shit while we pass through. Even the shirt off your back, nigga. Run that too.
I catch you backstage, give me the keys to the Escalade. You think you cute, ho? Take off them Gucci shades. I get my dog to do you dirty. They all 730, rock a ski mask, whether it's June or February. I take your show money, take your drill money. Yo, yap that fool, cause I don't know money for my beats that hate slow money. I put them in the industry so they can come and take all your money. Wish I could bring pun back. Bitch, run that. Bitch, run that. Bitch, run that. So keep acting like you don't know where the fun's at. And I'ma show y'all motherfuckers where the gun's at. Yo, yap that bitch. She try to spaz out, then smack that bitch. Oh, you don't be rhyming. You still memorizing. Remy want them goddamn diamonds.
Kidnap that fool. It's the perfect timing. You see the man shining. Get up on some goddamn diamonds. Get that fool. Kidnap that fool. Get him, get him, get him. Hit him, hit him, hit him. Yeah, boom, dap him. Yeah, boom, dap him. Right now, dance off. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Oh, get on the floor. Do it.